In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to raise a ticket in Zoho Desk. Zoho Desk is a powerful tool designed to streamline your customer service operations, and knowing how to efficiently raise tickets can significantly enhance your productivity and customer interactions. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you can confidently manage this task on your own. We begin our journey by navigating to the Customers tab within Zoho Desk. This tab is essentially your centralized hub where all customer-related activities reside. By selecting this tab, you have access to a wealth of information about your clients, including their contact details, previous interactions, and much more. From this hub, you can begin the process of addressing your customers' needs in an organized and systematic way. Once you're within the Customers tab, the next step is to look for the option to add a ticket. Clicking on Add Ticket is pivotal as it sets the stage for initiating your communication with the client. This is where you can input the necessary information about the issue or request that your customer might be experiencing. The Add Ticket button is generally easy to spot, so a quick scan of your screen should reveal it. With the Add Ticket form in front of you, it's time to fill out the pertinent details. Here, you'll need to enter information like the subject of the ticket, a description of the problem, and any other relevant details that could assist in resolving the customer's query efficiently. Be sure to be as detailed and clear as possible here. Providing comprehensive information not only aids in a speedier resolution, but also sets a professional tone for the interaction. Now comes the crucial part: submitting the ticket. After you've entered all the necessary information and double-checked for accuracy, it's time to click on the Submit button. This action records the ticket in the system, making it accessible for tracking and resolution by your team. Once submitted, the ticket goes into the queue where it waits to be assigned to the appropriate agent or department. Remember, the clearer you are about the issue at hand, the easier the problem-solving process will be for everyone involved. To recap, you begin in the Customers tab, click on Add Ticket, fill out the details meticulously, and finally, submit your ticket for action. Mastering this fundamental process in Zoho Desk will ensure that you're effectively managing customer queries and maintaining high-quality service. Therefore, whether you are new to Zoho Desk or just looking to refine your skills, these steps provide a solid foundation for managing customer interactions through ticketing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks in using Zoho Desk to its fullest potential.